I'm playing Zombs Royale. It's kind of like Fortnite. So yeah, let's try to get a win. When should I drop? No. So yeah, let's drop. I'm dropping. And I get that. Get it. Okay, an AR. Common AR. Okay, let's try to kill that guy. Oh god. Okay, let's get that. Why can't he die? Oh god. Okay, I need more ammo. Okay. Need more ammo. Okay. Need more ammo. Oh god. There's people. God. Man. Here. Why? Ooh, gun. So, I have a pistol. No ammo. So, yeah. Oh god. Darn it! Ooh. Guns. Got some ammo. Double barrel shotgun. Try to kill him. Come on. Yes, I killed him. Oh god. So let's change that. Change. No, I did! Gosh. Darn it. Okay. Hehehe. Okay, I'm gonna wait. Oh god. I'm to 10 health. Seriously? Darn it, I died. That was hard. One more round so I could get the... Just turning on the light. Next video I'm gonna play Knife Hit. So yeah. So stay tuned for the next video and turn on your notifications and subscribe. So you won't miss a video. So yeah. Okay, I'm gonna drop. Ooh, new weapon, the new weapon. The sniper rifle. I got the sniper rifle. That guy has ninja stars. Hiya! Oh gosh. Hiya! Oh gosh. Gonna die. Need med packs. I'm gonna go here. Use all my ammo up. Go away. Oh, no. Shurikens. No, I died! I'll try duo next round. Yeah. Oh shoot, I didn't get the gun. Hell! I got it first. Come on, come on, come on. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Oh gosh. I didn't do anything. I'll do duo. Let's join a party. Oh, come on. Darn it. Is it random duo? Yep, it's random. So let's do random duo. Random duo. Oh yeah. Random duo. Random duo. Okay, he dropped. Okay. Planet. Oh gosh. Okay, I'm gonna go here. I don't wanna die from that guy, so I'm gonna get that ammo. The look on the map, he's down there. So, yeah. I'm gonna plan to go here. No. There? Oh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's kill him. Kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him. Help, 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 help. Heal, heal, heal. Oh god, help me. Help, help, help. Your butt. Help, help, help. Oh, I died. Come on. I'm with that guy again? That's weird. Okay, I'm gonna just wait until the end. So, I'm gonna land here. So, I'm gonna wait. So, I'll go out now. Cause I need to get to my destination. Hiya! Hiya! Oh gosh. Hiya! I'm gonna put on my shield. So, did my teammate just die? That's so stupid. Hiya! 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 Oh, come on. Yo. Hiya! Okay. When's the storm gonna come? Smoke grenades. Okay. I'm dead. Okay. I'm just gonna do that. So, oh, this is gonna be risky. Oh gosh. Need to get in there. Oh, what? No one took it. No one took it. No one. Oh, now someone's gonna take it. So, no one took that. I don't like this. Oh god. No! I need a duo win. I never had a duo win. Now a new duo. New partner. Okay. Yeah. So this is the last round. And then I'm gonna end this video. Okay? So yeah. The thing goes. Oh gosh. Oh! Oh, darn it. Darn it. Darn it. Darn it. Heal me. Heal me. Heal me. Heal me. Heal me. Darn it. Heal. Heal. Yes. Good kill. Okay, I got ammo. Ooh, scar. That's perfect. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh God, how do I chat? Fudge. Kill. Yes! I don't know how to chat. Hey. Okay. Shurikens. Get the shurikens. So 2 scars. Yep. Hell. No! Okay. We are so close. So close. So. How do you chat? Why? I don't know how to chat. Then I started another one. So I'll put the noise.